Trust has always mattered on LinkedIn, but right now it's under more pressure than most people realise. We're operating in a world where confidence is easy to generate. AI can produce polished content in seconds. Profiles can look impressive. Opinions can sound authoritative. And yet trust feels hard to come by. That's because trust has never been about how confident something sounds. It's about judgment, and judgment is much harder to fake. For a long time, we relied on shortcuts to decide who to trust. Fluency, volume, certainty, familiarity. AI has disrupted those shortcuts. When confident content is everywhere, credibility starts to stand out more clearly, not less clearly. People begin paying attention to patterns instead of posts, behaviour instead of claims. Inside organisations, we see the same thing. Trust isn't just about whether people trust leaders, it's about how much trust leaders extend to others. Who is trusted to decide? Who is trusted to speak? Who is trusted to represent the organisation publicly? When trust is low, control increases, pace slows, confidence drains quietly away. When trust is present, people step up, ownership grows, judgment improves. LinkedIn is a trust environment. People are constantly making decisions about who to follow, who to listen to, and who they believe, often without realising they're doing it. Those decisions are shaped by consistency over time, the quality of judgment in what's shared, what gets amplified and what doesn't, how people treat others publicly. LinkedIn doesn't create trust dynamics, it reveals the ones that already exist. And in an AI-influenced world, that visibility is sharper than ever. One of the quiet ways trust is being eroded right now is speed. The pressure to respond instantly, to react publicly, to comment quickly. But listening is a trust behaviour. Pausing, reflecting, choosing not to respond immediately. Those moments of restraint are signals of credibility, especially when technology is moving faster than human judgment. Trust is not a personal brand claim. It isn't something that you decide once and assume is in place. Trust is built in small, observable moments through consistency, through judgment, through how carefully influence is exercised over time. And right now, when AI gets it wrong, trust is what still makes the difference.